Today we're here at Walmart showing you the egg prices. The ones in the blue cart's $3.94. The 18 packs are $4.47. Cage-free eggs is $5.44. Cage-free eggs is $5.52. Pasteurized raised is $5.92. Organic eggs is $5.87. And the big box of ones with 60 in them is $19. Pack of eggs with 36 in them is $11.58. Blue bonnet and the sticks is $1.28. Blue bonnet and tubs is $3.58. Parquet and tubs is $4.48. Walmart butter is $3.96. The blue one right there. And Country Crock and the tubs are $7.63. Plant-based butter that I usually buy is $3.98. Organic butter is $6.24. Cream cheese is $1.77, the great value kind. The Philadelphia cream cheese is $2.98 for one, or you can buy two for $5.47. Great value cheese in the pack is $1.97 for 8 ounces. The great value cheese for a pound is $3.78 in the bag. The blocks of 32 cheese, great value is $8.24. The 16 ounces is $4.22 block cheese. The 8 ounce block of cheese is $2.24. Great value Black Forest ham is $3.97 for 32 ounces.